I want to show you how to do a high-end advertising splash shot.
Thanks to Squarespace for sponsoring this video. Use coupon code Karl to get a 10% discount.
Now I saw a really nice shot of this product by a great product photographer called Darren Haddad, and I'm going to kind of emulate that, but I'm going to light mine slightly differently. This is kind of the visual that we're aiming for. This is the sort of pre-visualization of how it's going to look, and we'll develop the shot as we go along. Okay, so there is the glow on the lid. 2 lights now. There we go. There's the second light. Okay, so there we go. First result is actually really, really nice there. We're going to start experimenting with the water. So as we can see, the results are very hit and miss. We've got a really nice splash off the side of that one. What's going to happen is we're going to use a combination of the best splashes and make a short list of the splashes, and then create some layer comps to get the best shot. I've used the Scoro packs here. But of course, you could have done this on Syros lights with the same equivalent accessories. You would have needed something like a Syros light or Profoto, or something with a fast flash duration in order to freeze the liquids, as I have. Scoro is my ultimate choice for that, but the Syros and the Move packs as well from Broncolor do a perfectly good job at that, and so does some of the Profoto range.
If you enjoyed this video, please click the like button. To watch the full replay and thousands of other great tips, head to karltayloreducation.com. This video is brought to you by Squarespace. From websites and online stores to marketing tools and analytics, Squarespace is the all-in-one platform to build a beautiful online presence and run your business. Head to squarespace.com for a free trial, and when you're ready to launch, go to squarespace.com/Karl to save 10% off your first purchase of a website or domain.